In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Google Calendar events using Excel/Google Sheets. This workflow is a simple way to take event details from a spreadsheet and bring them into Google Calendar in one batch. The key idea is that Google Calendar can import a CSV file, which is a common format that both Excel and Google Sheets can use. Start by opening your Google Sheets file, the one that contains your calendar or to-do list data. Before you export anything, it helps to make sure your sheet is ready. You want your event information to be organized cleanly in rows, with clear column headings. Keep date and time values consistent, because formatting issues are one of the most common reasons an import does not behave as expected. Once you are in the sheet, go to the top left and click File. From the File menu, choose Download. You will see several file types you can export to. And for Google Calendar import, you want comma-separated values or .csv. Click comma-separated values.csv and let the file download to your computer. Take note of where it saves so you can find it quickly in the next steps. Now switch over to Google Calendar in your browser. In the top right area, click the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. From there, go into Settings. In the Settings menu, find and click Import and Export. This is the section where Google Calendar lets you bring in events from a file. Under Import, click Select File from your computer. In the File Picker window, locate the CSV file you just downloaded from Google Sheets, select it, and confirm your selection. After choosing your file, proceed by clicking OK to start the import. Give it a moment to process. Depending on how many rows you have, it may take a few seconds. Once it finishes, you can return to your calendar view and check that your events appear on the correct dates and times. If something looks off, the first thing to double-check is the date and time formatting in the original sheet, then export and import again. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.